We did this past life regression for you for this issue of feeling unjust in your life and always having this thing and something is not, whatever is happening is not good justice and it's unfair basically.
It's not justified. Why me?
By me.
Why?
How this past life regression session helped? What was the impact of that?
So the impact of doing the past life regression, that why me part is more than 50% cured. I no more feel injustice towards me, that why this person is getting this, why I am not getting this. So why that, and that used to make me feel injustice. Okay, why injustice towards me only? But now I feel it's okay. It's okay. But after doing the past life regression, after knowing what I went through, somehow unknowingly that worked has helped me in a way that thought doesn't come to my mind. Why me thought? So I no more feel injustice. I no more feel, okay, yeah, I am only the one to suffer. Why I should only do? I no more feel like that. So that has helped. Yes, many ways.
So this is your observation?
Yes, that is not my observation, that's my feeling, my thoughts. I mean, previously I always used to feel injustice. Anything would happen, why this person is behaving like this with somebody else and like this with me. Now I don't feel that anymore. And even if I feel, suppose sometimes, but it does not affect me. I might not be able to comprehend it better to you, but it does not affect me in a way it used to affect me earlier. I used to carry on, go on with the injustice feeling all through the day, all through the week and months, and it used to get layered and layered. Now, even if that injustice is happening, it does not affect me that much.
Right.
So that is
Happy?
very much. Those dreams were always there, and I never knew that why these dreams are coming. But then, when over so many years, 35, 40 years, that these the dreams were still a part of me, and then suddenly when you came into my life and we got to know that I am feeling injustice, we are still working on it, and that is what it led to that past life regression. Something must have happened in past life. That is why this injustice was so much of a thing. So this past life used to come to me as a dream since childhood. Maybe 4, 5-year-old I was, and I was not knowing why such kind of dreams are coming to me. And it's like really wonderful to go back, do that past life regression, get it done with your guidance and assistance, and not judging myself and my thoughts at that time. And now today, after knowing that this is my past life, I'm not guilty about it. I am, yes, it was me. It was my karmic cycle. It was my karmic direction. It was my choice. It is not somebody else's doing. It is my own doing. So that makes you more confident and to face your fears, your whatever scariest thing you have. It makes you more confident and strong to face that.
મને એના માટે guilty feel નહીં થયું. I mean now that is such a beautiful thing to come from you. Huh?
Yes. Mane, because the person who I am, I would go on a guilt trip. Yes, I am a person who can, even for small mistakes, I will go on a guilt trip. How can this happen? So that guilt trip has got less, and knowing something from my past life that is so huge and big, and how would we label it as shameful and all that thing, that does not exist for me. That labeling, naming, it does not exist for me, not just for me, even for somebody else. Yeah, you know that it's your doing, and when you do it, you have to face something, but the process of how to do it makes all the difference. Okay.
આનાથી શું બે ત્રણ વસ્તુ આપણને ખબર પડે કે you were getting this dream since you were 4-5 વર્ષની ઉંમરથી, right? So when we incarnate in the next body, how we are carrying things from our past, this is one thing that helps us to know that જો આવી રીતના આપણું કાવ્ય આપણને ખબર હોય કે it's being carried, and this is what we call prarabdha. keeps coming in the dreams, which is a disturbing dream, and it is carried for 35 years. Like હજી એવા ડ્રીમ્સ આવે છે અને રેગ્યુલરના જીવનમાં પણ એ બધું જ ફીલ થાય કે આ મારી સાથે આવું કરે છે, મારી સાથે જ કેમ. અને સો મચ ઓફ રેઝોનન્સ એટ ઓલ ધીસ લેવલ્સ કે
Yes.
આ વસ્તુ મારો ઇશ્યુ છે અને ઇશ્યુ છે અને મને એમાં સફળ થઈ રહ્યું છે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ હાઉ આપણું જે પ્રારબ્ધ હોય ને એ આપણી અંદર કે નાવ ઇટ્સ ટાઈમ ટુ લુક
at it, work on it.
બિકોઝ
Yes.
સિર્ફ કાં તો મને એ અવેરનેસ હોય કે હા જો મારી સાથે આ થઈ રહ્યું છે, હા જો ડ્રીમમાં પણ આ છે, અને હવે આપણે એક એવી રેમેડિયલ વસ્તુ કરી ટૂલથી કે હવે એને મેં ક્લોઝર લાવ્યું.
A healthy
We brought
closure.
a closure to this thing.
Family constellations, if you remember, family constellation, how it helped me for my back pain, acute back pain. I wasn't able to move, and 3 hours of family constellation, and I was all okay. So,
For you, things have always been a lot of like, either white or black. For yourself also, like, આવું જોઈએ. And now it is this very strong critical self-presence in you. That's always ready to judge. એ પછી પોતાના લાઈક એ પછી બંદૂક તારા પર પણ હોઈ શકે ને સામેવાળા પર પણ હોઈ શકે ને. It is such a difficult way to have that very strong insight, because all the time you are under the observation by someone, who is
yes,
critical. આ બરાબર છે, આ બરાબર નથી,
judging my
judgmental.
own self, yes, on my own thoughts.
And that has shifted. Where
Yes.
you feel, because otherwise that critical self always will put you in that guilt ride all the time.
Critical self was always there. We worked for inner child healing 4-5 sessions. We worked on family constellation. We did one past life regression. But this second past life regression changed that inner critic self. I don't feel